We go now to Chelsey Youman, Texas State Director and National Legislative Advisor for the pro-life group Human Coalition. Chelsey, welcome back. Always great to see you. First off, what are you expecting from the justices, and what could this ruling mean for abortion in America?
Yes, well, thank you for asking. All eyes are on Supreme Court watch right now, as you well know. We expect the justices to apply the laws to the facts and really affirm the lower court's decisions. The lower court decisions, both at the district court and then at the Fifth Circuit, were ironclad decisions. There's no doubt about it that the FDA illegally fast-tracked the abortion pill to get it approved in Clinton's final days in his administration. And they did so by miscategorizing abortion as a life-threatening illness alongside AIDS medication and cancer medication. And so from that point on, the FDA has crossed lines and their own laws along the way and really removed any semblance of safety protocols for women in the last few years. So that's all on the table, and we are just hopeful, both for children but also for their mothers, that they'll be protected from this dangerous pill regimen.
Chelsey, how does this case, how does it compare with the overturning of Roe versus Wade as far as significance for the pro-life movement?
Yes, I would have heard in legal circles that we anticipate this could save more lives than the Dobbs decision. And that's because the chemical abortion pill accounts for about 60% of the million abortions a year. And so upwards of 600,000 lives anticipated to be saved every single year if Mifepristone is taken off the market. Additionally, I think it's really important to note, people aren't talking about this, but Judge Kaczmarek at the district court had a resounding opinion for life, for unborn children. He re-engaged the Comstock law, which makes it illegal to sell any abortion materials. Secondarily, he started engaging equal protection arguments under the Constitution for children in the womb. Those are huge victories and really begin the landscape of what is our hopeful future for children in the womb.
Yeah, and Chelsey, since we're on that, can you remind us, for those who aren't that familiar, about this particular case in Texas that started the whole process? I understand that you wrote an amicus brief on behalf of the pro-life group that brought this case forward.
Yes, this case is really brought by gynecologists who are pro-life, saying we are seeing firsthand the harms that the pill causes women. This is not a safe pill, and the FDA, as I mentioned, illegally approved this pill and removed safety protocols along the way. We at Human Coalition have a unique perspective of women because we're serving women across the country who are seeking abortion services. And what they do is they call us. Sometimes they go on to get an abortion pill, take that pill, and then they're shocked, horrified, and traumatized by the experiences they have with that pill. And so, yes, while we know there's always a child as a victim, a dead body at the end of this process, there's also a victim in the mom. And it's the best kept secret that nobody on the other side wants you to hear their stories. They want to pretend this pill is as safe as a Tylenol, but we have their stories, and we put them on the record for these courts at every juncture of this appeal, because we want the courts to know women are harmed and endangered by this pill as a second victim of the pill.
Chelsey, we have about 20 seconds or left, but final thoughts of what we're seeing take place in the Supreme Court.
Yes, I think this is the Wild West, and we as pro-lifers need to be prayerful for these judges and justices getting threats every day. Go to humancoalition.org to learn more how you can support our work serving women and saving lives.
Chelsey, thank you so much for coming on and for your insights. We appreciate it.
Anytime.